The folks at HiQuick sent over this smart charger. It is a 2-bay cell charger that can do nickel metal hydride, NiCad, or lithium ion. It has one feature that I don't have on any of my other chargers. They also sent over 16 high capacity nickel metal hydrides, 4 Ds, 4 Cs, 4 AAs, and 4 AAAs. I'll test them out coming up on Thrifty AV. If you try to stick 2 D-cell batteries into most chargers like this Nitecore, they just won't fit. But they do fit into this HiQuick smart charger, and this is the only charger I have that will fit D-cells. But this is already out of the box. Let's back up and check out the unboxing. The folks at HiQuick sent me a lot of cool stuff. They sent me their 2-bay smart charger. They sent me 4 AAAs, nickel metal hydride, 4 AAs, 4 Cs, and 4 Ds. All these are nickel metal hydride. First thing I want to do is unbox this charger. Checking out the bottom of the box, it'll do 1 or 2 nickel metal hydride, NiCad, or lithium ions. It'll do AA, AAA, C, and D. And here is a big long list of lithium ion sizes that'll work. I'll have all these in the description. It accepts micro USB or Type-C inputs. The charger can activate the lithium ion rechargeable batteries with protective panel automatically. Has intelligent control fast charging mode, providing constant current and constant voltage, double safety protection, avoiding short circuit. And it can detect bad batteries. It does not have its own power supply. You are supposed to use at least a 2 amp or higher adapter. I'll be using this Power Partners adapter that is 4 amp out of this. Okay, opening the box, has a little flap here. We have instructions, which I will be looking at. Micro USB cable. And here's the 2-bay charger. Part of any good unboxing. A couple of notes regarding power. You can use the micro USB or the USB-C, but not both at the same time. You will have to use your own external power supply, and they say it needs to be a 2 amp power supply, which I have. When charging 2 batteries, the maximum is 1 amp each. When charging 1 lithium ion battery, you can go up to 2 amps. I'm going to go ahead and open up these D cells. These HiQuick D cells are rated at 10,000 milliamp hours. This bay will accommodate a wide variety of cell sizes. Right now I have D cells in. I'm also going to be using C cells, AAs, AAAs. I will also be testing it with some 18650 lithium ions. A lot of chargers will not accept a battery this fat. For example, I have a Nitecore IntelliCharger here, and then when I try to put these D cells on here, they do not make contact. In fact, 2 of them won't even fit on here, and I can't make the contacts meet up, so I'm not able to charge D cells on this one, but I can charge D cells on the HiQuick. Here's a Lido Kala, and again, D cells don't fit. I'm in the process of discharging my AAAs right now, and when they are dead, I'm going to do a head-to-head between the Nitecore and the HiQuick and see which one can charge the AAAs faster. Okay, all 4 of these AAAs have been completely discharged. On the left, I have the HiQuick. On the right, I have a Nitecore. Both of these are plugged into a power strip that is off right now. I'm about to turn that power strip on and start my timer and see what charges faster, the HiQuick or the Nitecore. Okay, I have good contacts on both chargers right now. They're both blinking on the lowest setting. The HiQuick says 25%, and the IntelliCharger, it doesn't say what the percentages are, but it is the bottom button solid and the middle button's blinking. I'll know when these are both fully charged, and I'm going to do a time lapse on this timer here and see when these are both fully charged. I'm running this time lapse at 300x, so you don't have to wait and wait and wait for this video to finish. And the HiQuick charged up these AAAs at about the 1 hour and 2 minute mark. The Nitecore took significantly longer, almost twice as long, finishing up just shy of the 2 hour mark. The next test I want to do is single cell charging of lithium ions. Here I have two Samsung 18650s and these flashlights. When these flashlights go dead, I will charge these up. I don't see the rating on these, but these are Samsung 25R 18650s. The HiQuick on the left has a 2 amp feature that works when charging a single lithium ion cell. So this 18650 was able to charge up in about an hour and 15 minutes. The Nitecore, on the other hand, is charging at 500 milliamps, so it's taking a considerably longer time. In fact, I'm going to speed up the time lapse just so you don't have to wait. This thing took 5 hours and 40 minutes to charge this single 18650. Regarding the display on the HiQuick charger, if you're looking straight at it, it is pretty visible. You can read it pretty well. But if you're looking at it at an angle, you will not see the display. Now that you know what the HiQuick charger can do, let's check out these HiQuick nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries. These AAAs are rated at 1100 milliamp hours. I'm running a full charge, discharge, recharge cycle test on these, and we'll see what the actual capacity on these AAAs are. The tests have all completed on the AAA batteries. These are rated at 1100 milliamp hours. Battery 1 held 817 milliamp hours. Battery 2 held 780. 808 on battery 3 and 817 on battery 4. These are actually pretty much standard numbers you would expect on AAA battery, but they aren't anywhere close to the rated 1100 milliamp hours that's printed on the batteries. Okay, these AA's are rated at 2800 milliamp hours. This first one tested at 2103. Second one tested at 2011. Third one tested at 2010. Fourth one tested out at 2103. These numbers are pretty much what you would expect out of a AA nickel metal hydride, but they fall well short of the rated 2800 milliamp hours. All right, due to the size of these batteries, I cannot fit all 4 of my C cells in this charger, but I'm going to go ahead and run a test on 2 of these C cells that are rated at 5000 milliamp hours. This one discharged 3,880 and recharged 4,195. This one discharged 3,842 and recharged 4,252. D cells are too large for me to fit into this tester, so I will not be able to do capacity tests on these D cell batteries. Battery chargers and battery testers have protection circuitry that prevents you from overcharging a battery or over draining a battery, and that may partially explain why my tested capacities weren't quite meeting the rated capacities on the batteries. That being said, the battery capacities I was getting are right there along the lines of others I've tested, such as Harbor Freight and Amazon Basics. Testing it in a tester is one thing, testing it in equipment is another. Let's see how these batteries work in the real world. For my D cell demonstration, I'm going to use this horribly inefficient incandescent mag light, and it is powering it just fine. For my C-cell demonstration, I'm going to use this AM/FM radio cassette recorder and see if I can get it to operate. Look, no cord. I'm using this Durabrand AM/FM cassette recorder to record my voice right now, and it seems to be recording just fine. And it also plays back just fine. Well, a little bit of flutter, but I don't blame that on the batteries. I ruined a personal recorder once with alkaline batteries, so I don't use those in these anymore. So I'm going to do the AA demonstration. This is a portable digital recorder. Full battery. I'm now recording using the built-in microphones on this Tascam DR40, and you're not listening to me through this lavalier microphone. You are listening to me through the audio that's recorded on this Tascam. For my AAA demonstration, I'm going to load the HiQuick batteries into a Belkin FM transmitter. The track you are listening to right now is being output from my Tascam DR40 into my Belkin FM transmitter and played back over the radio on the Durabrand AM/FM radio cassette recorder. And all of these devices are being powered by HiQuick batteries. There are Amazon affiliate links to the HiQuick charger and batteries in the description. Of course, Amazon affiliate links help out my channel and don't cost you an extra cent when ordering through Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.